If you have bought a brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 but are unable to pair it to your Android phone, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to pair my brand new Galaxy Watch 5 with my smartphone so that you can know what exactly you need to do in order to use your smartwatch. So let's get started. First of all, you will have to turn the watch on. To do this, press and hold the upper button for a while. There you go. The watch is turned on. Now it says get started in the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. So take your cell phone and open the Play Store to download and install the Galaxy Wearable app. It is a pretty small app and gets installed quickly. Once installed, open the app. Tap on the Start button. It needs permission to access the location of your cell phone. Go ahead and allow it. Now it is looking for Galaxy devices nearby. Once you see your Watch 5 on the list, go ahead and tap on it. It will now send a pairing number to your watch. If the number displayed on your smartwatch and smartphone is the same, then go ahead and click on the Confirm button. Allow the Galaxy Wearable app to access the watch by clicking on the Allow button. Now, the app will download the software to your Watch 5. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes, so let it get done. Once it is done, you will be asked if you want to automatically update the Galaxy Wearable app and your smartwatch or not. I like to take full control, so I am unticking these. You can select these options if you don't like manual updates. Now, tap on the Continue button. Next, you will be asked if you want to share usage, diagnostic and location data with Samsung or not. You can untick the options if you want. I don't want any of these, so I am unticking them. Now scroll down and tap on the I agree button. Your watch is now getting ready to be used. It can take a minute or two, so sit back and relax. As the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 runs on Google's Wear OS, therefore you will be asked to sign into your Google account. All the Google accounts that you have already signed in on your smartphone will be displayed here. You can choose the one you already have, or you can also choose to make a new one. I already have an account, so I am selecting it. On the next screen, you will be asked to install the apps on your Watch 5. You can choose which app you want on your watch. I don't want any of these, so I am skipping this step. I can download these apps later if I want. Now, you will be asked if you want to restore your watch data from the Samsung cloud. If you were using a Samsung watch before, then you can also restore its data from your Samsung account. Your previous watch names will be displayed here. You can select the watch you want to restore the data from. Once you choose the smartwatch, you will have to choose the data you want to restore. I don't want to restore anything, so I am skipping this step as well. The app is now finishing up and preparing the watch for use. Wait for a minute or two and it will get done. Once it is done, the Galaxy Wearable app will get opened. That's it. Your watch has been successfully paired with your smartphone now. Take your watch. It will show you a quick guide as to how to use the watch. Once the guide is complete, you can use the watch the way you want. But wait, we are not done yet. Your watch has been successfully paired to your cell phone, but there are a few things still left to do. The Galaxy Wearable app lets you control your watch and its settings, but it cannot show you your health and fitness details. And I am sure if you have purchased a smartwatch like Galaxy Watch 5, then you must want to track your health and fitness as well, right? In order to do that, you will need to install another app called Samsung Health on your smartphone. So open the Play Store on your smartphone once again and install the Samsung Health app. It is a pretty big app and will take a few minutes to get installed. Till it gets downloaded and installed, let me tell you my opinion about this process of setting up two apps. Well, I don't like it at all. Like other smartwatches, there should be one app that lets you control your smartwatch fully. I don't know what Samsung was thinking in making two different apps for two different things. But this should not be like this. Anyways, once the Samsung Health app gets installed, go ahead and open it up. Allow it to send notifications. Tap on the Continue button. On the next screen, select, deselect if you want to receive promotions from Samsung and then tap on the next button. Allow the Samsung Health app the permissions it asks for. Next, you will be asked to choose a Samsung account. You can choose the one you already have or you can make a new one. I am choosing the one I already have. That's it. Now your Samsung Health app is also set up. You can now keep track of your activities, health and fitness. Finally, we are done now. Your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is all set up and is now ready to use. This video ends here. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel to stay tuned, because very soon we will be making a Watch 5 tips and tricks video. Using those tips and tricks, you will be able to use your watch to its full potential. That is all for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.